Hi, I am Syed Rashid. You are watching Ahlebad High School and Junior College YouTube channel. Welcome to my video to all students as well as viewers. Today just we are continuing our part number 3, Work Energy Power. Chapter number 6, Physics, Intermediate First Year or 11th class. So in our previous session we have working with the elastic collision, that is one dimension elastic collision. In that we got final equation like equation number 3. After equation number 3 we need to derive few more things in this part. So now I am writing velocity of first body, as you can see on the board, VELOCITY, velocity of FIRST, first body or first object also we can say. So here from equation number 3 we know that equation 3, okay, from equation EQUATION, equation 3, what we have equation 3 with us, like u1 minus u2 is equals to like v2 minus v1. This is equation 3 we have. If we want to fetch the velocity of first body, we need to keep as v2, okay. Again if we want to fetch the velocity of second body, we need to keep v1. So I am keeping like v2 here itself, and v1 goes to this side, it will become plus v1, okay, minus u2 as it is and u1 also as it is. This is the equation we have with us, okay. Now we need to like substituting equation number, now substitute SUBSTITUT, substitute. Now I am giving this name as equation number 4, isn't it? Substitute equation 4 in which equation we are substituting, like in 1, equation number 1. Equation 1 we have with us, like first I am writing we have equation 1 EQUATION, equation 1 as what we have equation 1 with us, like m1 into u1 minus v1 is equals to like m2 v2 minus u2, isn't it? This is equation 1. Now in place of like v2, what I will going to write here, in place of v2 I will write complete this term, okay. Now m1 is as it is, u1 also as it is, minus v1 also as it is, m2 also as it is. Here we are just changing v2 as this equation with us, like u1 minus u2 plus v1 minus u2. Now next step, minus u2 it will become minus 2u2. So what I am doing, m1 into u1 minus v1 is equals to m2 into u1 plus v1 minus u2, isn't it? Now I am opening complete bracket with me, like we got m1 u1 minus m1 v1 is equals to m2 u1 plus m2 v1 minus 2m2 u2, isn't it? Now next step what I am doing, I want only v1, so I am just sending this minus u2 this side, it will become plus, and I am sending this also this side, so it will like we have with us like m1 u1 minus m1 v1, okay, minus m2 u1 plus 2m2 u2 is equals to m2 v1. Now this step is very important. I am just taking common from these two terms, okay. Which term I am taking common, like I am taking u1 as common, I remain like m1 minus m2 minus m1 v1 plus 2m2 u2. Now what I am going to do in this step is equals to m2 v1. Now here we have one more twist with us, we need to bring v1s to one side and this v1s goes to that side. So what it will become, like u1 into m1 minus m2 like plus 2m2 u2 is equals to here m1 v1 plus m2 v1. How we got this? Because this minus m1 v1 goes to this side, it's become plus. So I am writing in sequence like m1 v1 plus m2 v1. Now I am same, this step is same, u1 into m1 minus m2 like plus 2 m2 u2 is equals to, here I am taking like v1 as common, so it will become m1 plus m2, isn't it? Now in next step we are just sending m1 plus m2 to the denominator of this, so we got u1 into m1 minus m2 plus 2 m2 u2 whole divided by m1 plus m2, and here we got the final answer as velocity v1. Now I am separating this numerator and denominator separating. So what I got, like u1 into m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2, isn't it? After that plus 2 m2 u2 by m1 plus m2 is equals to v1. So we can say this is the velocity of first body, or else we can write this in a particular manner or particular like this. So how I am writing, just need to see. Next step, how I am writing, I am writing m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2 in one bracket, isn't it? Now I am keeping u1 outside here, plus I am writing 2 m2 by m1 plus m2 in one bracket into u2. I am keeping u2 outside, is equals to v1. Why I am doing this means, this is a procedure and way to write the final velocity of first object like this only. Therefore the above is the velocity 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 of first body, first first body. So and I am giving this as equation number 5. Okay, you can copy down till here. Once again I want to explain. We need to, in our previous part we have started one dimension elastic collision. In that we have derived up to the equation number 3. From equation 3 we will going to fetch the velocity of first body. So from equation number 3, not from, we can say that we have equation, I wrote complete equation here. Okay, we have, instead of from, I can write here we have. Okay, we have, HAVE, have equation 3 as this, u1 minus u2 is equals to v2 minus v1. Now I am just keeping v2 as it is and sending v1 this side, it become like plus v1, whereas u1 minus u2 is as it is. This become like equation number 4. Substitute 4, that is equation 4 in equation 1. We have equation 1 as, first I wrote equation 1 like m1 into u1 minus v1 is equals to m2 into v2 minus u2. Okay, after that I wrote left hand side is as it is, this step. On right hand side m2 into, instead of v2 what I wrote this thing like u1 minus u2 plus v1, but again here u2 minus u2 and minus u2, this both minus u2 become like minus 2u2, whereas u1 plus v1 as it is, and LHS same as it is like m1 into u1 minus v1. After that just I am opening the bracket with the help of m, so it will become like m1 u1 minus m1 v1, here m2 u1 plus m2 v1 minus 2 m2 u2. After that what I did, I just sent few things on the left hand side, like I kept only velocity 1, that is v1 right hand side, I brings like take down these two term to the left hand side, so it will become like minus plus become minus m2 u1, here minus become plus 2 m2 u2 is equals to m2 v1. But in this step again I need to bring v1 one side, so I am just sending here minus m1 v1 to this side, so it will become m1 v1 plus m2 v1. And here what I did, from this m1 u1 m2 u1 I took u1 as common, so I remains like m1 minus m2 minus m1 v1 plus 2 m2 u2 is equals to like m2 v1, and after that I am just sending this to that side. After that we just taking again common from RHS, that is right hand side, as v1. So we remains like m1 plus m2. Now this complete m1 plus m2 goes to the denominator on the left hand side, and it will become m1 plus m2. Like it becomes like this. After that, what I did, I am separating this. Like if we have 1 plus 3 by 2 means we can write 1 by 2, okay, plus 3 by 2. Like that only I did, like u1 m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2 plus 2 m2 u2 into m1 plus m2 is equals to v1. This is actually our final answer, but when we are driving velocity of first body in one dimension elastic collision means we need to set a one pattern as per the like tradition going on from the scientist side. So I kept u1 outside here, u2 outside. It will writes like that, m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2 into u1 plus 2m2 by m1 plus m2 into u2 is equals to v1. This is equation number 5. The above is the velocity of first body. Now you need to copy the velocity of first body so that we can go to the velocity of second body. Hope you have copied velocity of first body. Now velocity of second body, SECOND, second body. We have equation 3 like u1 minus u2 is equals to v2 minus v1. While we are finding the velocity of first body, we fetch the v2. Now we want to find the velocity of second body. So now we are fetching v1. So what I am doing, if I am sending v1 to this side, it will become like v1 plus u1 minus u2 as it is equals to v2, but only I required v1. So in this case what I will do, it will become like v1 is equals to v2 minus u1 plus u2, isn't it? Now I am giving this as equation number 6, we can say equation 6 I am giving this as. Now substitute this equation 6 in equation number 1. So we have equation 1 as follows. Okay, हमारे पास equation 1 क्या है, like m1 into u1 minus v1 is equals to m2 into v2 minus u2. So same procedure we are following, like m1 is as it is here, u1 also as it is, minus in place of v1 what I will going to write, and here make sure that you need to multiply the complete term with minus. So here I am writing like v2 minus u1 plus u2 is equals to m2, that is v2 minus u2. So here what one step going extra, because we need to completely open this bracket with the help of minus. So it will become like minus v2 plus u1 minus u2 is equals to m2 into v2 minus u2. Okay, I hope I am going correct. Now we have with us like m1 u1 and u1, what it will become like 2u1 minus v2 minus u2 is equals to m2 into v2 minus u2. Very easy. All the student and viewers, you might have think sir is go on doing steps, but this steps is very easy. Just you need to follow how I am doing, and you need to practice more than one time, and not only the practice, you might have remember also these steps if you practice more than one time means, because I was also a student at one time. So this is the question very important, asking repeatedly in IP. Not only this question, we have many questions with us. It might have asked in our IP, intermediate public examination. Now I am opening this. It will become like 2 m1 u1 minus m1 v2 minus m1 u2 is equals to m2 v2 minus m2 u2, isn't it? Okay, now I am keeping like v2, I want to get v2 here. So what I will do, I will just do I am keeping v2 one side. So I am just sending this v2 term this side and bringing this term to this side. So twist is coming. Carefully look at m1 u1 as it is, whereas this like minus m1 u2 also as it is, it will become like plus m2 u2, isn't it, is equals to here m1 v2, m1 v2, because this term is coming this side, plus m2 v2. I am keeping in sequence, that's why I am writing m1 first, m1 v2, after that plus m2 v2. So this step also very easy. Now from here you can take u2 common, from here you can take v2 common, so it will become like 2 m1 u1 minus u2, means it will become like m1 minus m2. Why m1 minus m2 here? Because if I open the bracket with this minus u2 into m1 minus m1 u2, here minus into minus plus, it will be like m2 u2. So in this step some of the student might confuse and keeping this as plus, so that equation becomes wrong. So here we need to be alert and careful. So here I am taking v2 common, so v remains like m1 plus m2. So hope you understood till here, need not to explain once again, just I want to fetch the velocity of second body. So we have equation 3 with us, like u1 minus u2 is equals to v2 minus v1. After that I want only like v1, so I am keeping v2 as it is and sending v1 to that side, so it will become plus v1, that is v1 plus u1 minus u2 as it is. So u1 here is as it is, just I am sending these two terms that side, it will become minus u1, it become like plus u2. Equation number 6. Substitute equation 6 in 1. We have equation 1 as follows. I wrote equation 1 once again because to be practiced. So equation 1 we have with us like m1 into u1 minus v1 is equals to m2 into v2 minus u2. Here m1 is as it is, u1 also as it is, minus also as it is, but in place of v1 we need to write this complete term, not this term. Oh, all the student and viewers, this term. Okay, it will like v2 minus u1 plus u2. Now we need to open this bracket with minus, it will become minus v2 minus into minus plus u1 plus into minus minus u2, and RHS right hand side is as it is. Here u2 means 2, not u2, here u1 and u1 means 2u1 minus v2 as it is, here like minus u2 also as it is, right hand side same. Now I am rearranging the term and I am bringing v2 one side and remaining term to another side. For that I am just sending m1 v2 to right hand side, whereas minus m2 u2 to left hand side. I got the step like this, like 2 m1 u1 as it is minus m1 u2 also as it is. This minus m2 u2 become plus m2 u2 is equals to m1, this minus become plus, okay, m1 v2 plus m2 v2. Now I am taking common from here like u2, so I remains like m1 minus m2. From here I am taking common as v2, I remain like m1 plus m2. Now go on to the next step. सांस रुक रही यार, थक गया मैं, I am really exhausted. Okay, now continue. Now here make sure be careful while doing this step, and you need to practice more than one time for getting correct and perfect answer with us. Now I am just sending this m1 plus m2 to left hand side denominator. So what I got step with me, like you can see here, like 2 m1 u1 minus u2 m1 minus m2 by like m1 plus m2 is equals to v2. Now I am just separating this 2 m1 u1 by m1 plus m2 minus u2 into m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2, while I was sub is equals to v2. So we got this. Now same procedure we need to like apply, like I said you earlier how to write. So I am writing this step as you can see carefully, 2 m1 by m1 plus m2 is into it. I am keeping u1 outside, minus here m1 plus, not plus, here m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2 and keeping u2 as outside we have v2. 2. So therefore the above is the velocity of second body, SECOND, second BODY. I am giving this name as equation number 7. Now we need to like a small here a small tag, like if u2 is equals to 0, we are supposing u2 is equals to 0, then equation like 5, equation 5 becomes what? Equation 5 becomes, first we need to know the equation number 5. We were equation 5 already I rubbed, but I am writing here equation 5 become v1 is equals to, okay, same like m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2, and here u1 is common if u2 is 0. Same case equation EQ UATION, equation 7 becomes what? Equation 7 becomes BECOMES becomes, I am writing this part, okay, because the last thing you can see till here only. So equation 7 becomes just u2 is equals to 0 means we were with us like v2 is equals to only this term, like 2 m1 by m1 plus m2 into what we have with us like u1. So make sure this thing you need to write once you have done with the derivation. Now I will going to tell how the question might ask in your examination. Listen carefully the question. What are collision? Explain the type of collision. Show that in the case of one dimension elastic collision, the relative velocity of approach of two collide bodies before collision is equal to a relative velocity of separation after collision. So like that it may ask. So what you need, and this might ask for 8 marks. So what you have to do the procedure, first you need to define the collision. After defining the collision, you need to write elastic collision definition, inelastic collision definition, third thing. After that you need to derive one dimension elastic collision from equation 1 to equation 7. Complete procedure you need to follow, because 8 marks is not a small marks. So you need to work more. Same question it might ask you like this. What are collision? Explain the possible types of collision. Develop the theory of one dimension elastic collision. So like that also it might ask. So that's all about our today's session and today's class, like part 3. We will going to continue our part number 4, same work, energy, power, in our next session. I am Syed Rashid. You are watching Ahliabad High School and Junior College YouTube channel. Make sure practice more than one time, and if you want you can copy down. I am just standing few seconds here. If you want copy down. This thing very important. Make sure practice more than one time. Have a great time. Take care. Thank you.